You know that feeling, right? Your tomatoes are looking amazing, loaded with fruit, and then boom, a big gust of wind hits.
Oh yeah. Watching those stems bend, wondering if your supports will hold, it's stressful.
Totally. And today, we're doing a deep dive specifically into the latest iteration, the Plate 3 update for the tomato system. So our mission here is to really unpack what's new in this May update, what these changes mean, especially if you're using the system or thinking about it.
Right, because this system is already on, its third version. It's a great example of design evolving based on actual use. Hundreds of people feeding back their experiences.
Yeah, exactly. It's not just theory. And that feedback gets really specific, sometimes pointing out things the original designer might not even have considered initially.
That's the power of opening up the design.
Yeah.
With these incredibly valuable real-world insights.
Couldn't agree more. So, Plate 3. Let's jump in. What actually prompted this specific update? Was there one big thing?
Wind. Specifically, unusually strong winds.
The gardener's nemesis. Okay, so what were these high winds actually doing to the earlier tomato system setups?
Well, the feedback was that under that kind of heavy, blustery condition, the extension rods, the parts that give the system its height, could sometimes, work themselves a bit loose.
Okay. So, a potential point of failure right when the plant needs support the most.
Exactly. It highlighted a need for a bit more robustness in really challenging weather.
Makes sense. So, Plate 3 is the answer. How does it fix that? What's the core change?
The main new thing in this May update is these integrated side clamps.
Side clamps?
Yeah, think of them like little fingers built right into the plate itself. Their job is basically to grip the extension rods really firmly and lock them down.
I see. So they physically prevent the rod from slipping or twisting out.
That's the idea, to keep those rods absolutely locked in place, even if the wind is really whipping things around.
Okay, so the direct benefit there is obviously enhanced stability, more rigidity for the whole structure as the plant grows.
Precisely. It gives the whole system a significant boost in terms of overall strength and reliability. It means you can worry less about the support failing when your plants are heavy and exposed.
It's a big deal. Okay, so big question for anyone already invested in this system. What about compatibility? If you have Plate 1 or Plate 2 parts, do you need to ditch them for Plate 3?
No. Plate 3 is fully backward compatible.
Fully, with both Plate 1 and 2.
Yep. All the new Plate 3 components will work perfectly fine with any older plates or rods you already have printed.
Oh, that's great. So you can gradually upgrade, mix and match parts as needed?
Exactly. You don't have to commit to a whole new system rebuild. It offers that flexibility.
And what about the original design? Is Plate 1 still around?
Yes, they've kept the legacy system, the original Plate 1 design, available as well.
Why is that?
Well, maybe some users just prefer it, or maybe for their specific setup or climate, the original was perfectly fine. It gives people options, which is always good.
Okay, so let's quickly summarize the key takeaways from this deep dive into the tomato system Plate 3 update.
Sure. Two main things. First, much better stability, especially in wind, thanks to those new integrated side clamps locking the rods. Second, easier, more intuitive assembly because of the redesigned rod holes.
And crucially,
Yes. Crucially, it's fully backward compatible with Plates 1 and 2, so your existing parts are still good.
perfect. And it all circles back to that idea of continuous improvement shaped directly by the people using it.
Exactly. It's a really nice example of community-driven refinement in action.